Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and bring you the latest news from space. We start with a thrilling development in planetary defense. China has announced plans to launch a spacecraft that will intentionally collide with an asteroid at a staggering speed of 9 kilometers per second, equivalent to Mach 26. That's over 26 times the speed of sound near sea level, and nearly 50% faster than NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART mission. This ambitious project is part of China's first planetary defense mission, which aims to test the country's ability to deflect an asteroid from its orbit. The spacecraft will be designed to hit the asteroid with incredible force, allowing scientists to study the effects of the collision and gather valuable data on how to potentially divert future asteroid threats. The NASA DART mission, which launched last year, was a significant step forward in planetary defense, but China's project seems to be taking it to the next level. The success of this mission could have major implications for our understanding of asteroid deflection and the development of strategies to protect our planet from potential asteroid impacts. As we continue to explore the universe and push the boundaries of space technology, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in planetary defense. With China's asteroid collision test on the horizon, we can expect some exciting updates in the coming months. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space exploration, we're excited to share with you the latest updates on an upcoming mission that's set to take a talented group of astronauts to the International Space Station. The Crew 13 mission, scheduled to launch in mid-September, will carry NASA astronauts Jessica Watkins and Luke Delaney, CSA astronaut Joshua Kutrick, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Sergei Teteryatnikov aboard a SpaceX Dragon spacecraft on the company's Falcon 9 rocket from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. This mission marks an exciting milestone for each of these astronauts, with Jessica Watkins becoming the first NASA astronaut to launch aboard a SpaceX Dragon spacecraft 2 times. Her background as a geologist, studying the Martian surface and being part of the Curiosity rover science team, brings a unique perspective to the crew. Luke Delaney, on his first spaceflight, brings extensive experience as a naval aviator and test pilot, having evaluated developmental aircraft systems and supported airborne science missions. Joshua Kutrick, also on his first spaceflight, joins with a distinguished background as a CF-18 fighter pilot and experimental test pilot, along with advanced degrees in space studies and flight test engineering. Sergei Teteryatnikov, making his first trip to the orbiting laboratory, comes from a naval engineering background, having served in various roles, including undersea vessels and specialized engine room operations, before being selected as a test cosmonaut. The Crew 13 mission underscores the international cooperation that is at the heart of space exploration today. As these astronauts prepare to embark on their journey to the International Space Station, they will be conducting crucial scientific research, testing new technologies, and pushing the boundaries of what we know about living and working in space. Before they launch, the crew will participate in a series of news conferences, offering insights into their training, mission objectives, and personal experiences. These events not only provide valuable information to the public, but also serve as a reminder of the human element that drives space exploration forward. As we look forward to the Crew 13 mission and the discoveries it will bring, we're reminded of the incredible advancements being made in space technology and the dedication of the men and women who venture into the unknown. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we gaze out into the vast expanse of the universe, it's easy to forget about the intricacies of our own planet. From the world of finance to the environment, there are some fascinating stories that have been unfolding. Let's start with the Bay du Nord drilling project, which could become the first development in a new offshore producing region in the Flemish Pass Basin east of Newfoundland. This project has the potential to be Canada's largest offshore oil project, and it's raising questions about the country's energy future. The recent exit of BP plc from the project has left some wondering if it will still move forward, but Equinor ASA's decision to buy out its partner and assume full ownership may be a sign that the company is committed to making it happen. In other news, Brookfield Asset Management Limited and CPPIB have teamed up to buy LXP Industrial Trust, a US $5.2 billion industrial REIT with expertise in buying and developing premium industrial real estate in key logistics markets in the United States. This deal highlights the growing importance of logistics and supply chain management in our global economy. And for all you space enthusiasts out there, you'll be thrilled to know that SpaceX's initial public offering last month created 4,400 instant millionaires. It's a reminder that the space industry is not just about exploration and discovery, but also about innovation and entrepreneurship. Finally, let's take a look at the latest inflation numbers. Canada's inflation rate slowed to 2.8% in June, thanks in part to falling gasoline prices. This may be a welcome relief for consumers, but economists are warning that it's too early for the Bank of Canada to lower its guard on inflation and interest rates. As we wrap up today's show, I want to leave you with a thought. The universe is full of mysteries and wonders, but it is also full of complexities and challenges. By staying informed and engaged with the world around us, we can better appreciate the beauty and complexity of our planet and its place in the universe. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.